You're fishing this way? Can I go over there?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. One of the most versatile and underestimated lures. The original tube. What is up, adept anglers? Today we are at our local spot, Howard and McCormick, and we are going to try to do what we used to do. Use a tube on a jig head and go for some largemouth bass. I'm going to be using my tube rigged straight onto my braid. I don't have a lead or anything like that, no mono. And I have a 1/4 ounce lead head jig head. And we're going to just put that right in that skirt there of the bottom of the tube. Slide it right up. This is a really salty tube. This is a Bass Pro Shops tender tube. Then you pop your little eye out there, and that is how we rig our tubes. And now we are gonna go for some bass. Let's get it. Here's one. There we are. That's a nice healthy fish. Right there on that tube jig. Nice fish. There we are. Black and red Bass Pro Shops tender tube. Beautiful Chicago River, North Shore Channel bass. Going in for the release. Little one. Number 2, Chicago River. There's one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Can I get the net? Ooh, I almost forgot. Thank you. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Here we are, guys. Number 3. Going old school with the tubes here, Chicago River. We're in late September. Beautiful Chicago River bass. They run very, very healthy. A lot of bait fish are moving right now, and these fish are just basically following them in and chasing them. We're tossing the tube jig in the school of bait fish, and the bass are just stomping it. Oh, we got someone coming down here.
Yo, what's up?
Oh, what up, Shane?
What's going on? Any luck?
I have caught a few, bro.
Yeah?
How's it going? You just
Not
get
bad,
off of
not
work?
bad. Yeah, I just got off work. How are you?
I'm good, bro.
I'm here to catch a bass, man. I left work to catch a bass, you know.
There you
go. A bad
go.
day of fishing beats a good day of work, you know what I'm saying?
There you go, bro.
So, nice to
Hell
see you,
yeah.
man.
I'm glad to see you too.
Yeah, likewise.
This day just got better, guys. Now we got Shane here.
Woo.
Yeah, they've been biting, man.
Yeah? Well, let's see what I can do. Hopefully I can catch one. I just want to catch one fish. Just one. I just want one.
Just one
I'm
fish.
kidding. I want like 10, but I'll be happy with one.
That after work hustle. Let's go. Yeah, I'm ready. Oh yeah, absolutely.
Just in case.
For sure. I think so. It might be a snag fish. It feels weird. Yeah, it is a snag fish.
That's a good cut bait right there.
Yeah, this is. Nice gizzard shad.
He's big, huh?
Yeah, he is. Bro, that's a beast, Shane. Shane.
Look at the size.
Look at this beautiful bass. I'm over here fishing here, guys, and we have local angler Shane Singletary that just rolled up on us. And look at this fish. What is it? What are you using there, bro?
I'm throwing this mud bug, and every time I come here with this thing, they're all over it.
Guys, Shane literally just rolled up, like I'm talking 10 minutes ago. This is insane. Talk about a local legend. That is a nice fish, bro.
They got it good. So it might take me a second to get it wrapped around his, there we go. Man, he just, the way he hit it, dude, he was like all over each. Whew. That's nice.
Nice. Chunky largemouth bass, Chicago River North Shore Channel. How does that feel, bro? You just rolled up and you caught a chunky.
Yeah, I was throwing, I think I had on the tube when I first walked up. I threw that around for, I don't know, a few casts, and then I tied on that mug bug, and he just rocked that thing, man. Yeah, man, he was just, I don't know, he crushed that mud bug.
Right there in the tunnel too, right?
Yeah, right in front of the tunnel, yeah.
This guy and his tunnel fish, man.
You know what, I think I'm gonna bring it over here.
Awesome fish, bro.
Thank you, dude.
And we got this fish right here in the tunnel. Right here in the tunnel. Nice fish. There we go. Whoa, this is different. This is a sucker fish.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Yep.
Nice.
All right. Check that out. Yeah, that honestly, when I first saw it, I thought I had a walleye.
Right?
I was gonna start yelling, "Oh my God!" But it's just a common suckerfish here along the Chicago River. Nice chunky fish. You can see we got the tube jig right there. Common sucker fish. Chicago River. Just caught him on the tube. Getting ready to get out of here. Shane just rolled up, caught a nice largemouth. I happened to catch this common sucker. We're gonna give it a little bit more time, and then we're gonna take off. It's going for the release. Got one right there in the tunnel, guys. Oh, he was just sitting right there, dude. It hit the water. Oh, that was so great. It hit the water and he was just waiting for something to bite.
Is that your first one out of the tunnel?
First one out of the tunnel. Legit. On a spinnerbait. I just switched it up to this Booyah spinnerbait here at the end. Try to get more of a reaction quick strike. Beautiful Chicago River bass. Check it out, guys. It's been a beautiful day today. We showed up, caught some fish. We've been here about 3 hours total, and I appreciate you guys watching all the way to the end. Gonna go in for the release. Alrighty, adept anglers, that is gonna do it for us today here at the North Shore Channel, Chicago River. Shane Singletary, he's probably gonna stick around and fish a little bit more. He showed up, caught that, I mean, dude, that was enormous.
Yeah, that was a nice fish, it was.
Caught that awesome bass. Shane Singletary, at Shane Singletary on Instagram. Guys, be sure to snag that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and also follow. I am not gonna lie to you. This is an in-between salmon outing, just to build my confidence a little bit, because we're gonna head out this evening to actually go after the salmon once again. We are here late September. My confidence is high now. I'm glad the home water did for me. Yeah. Shane over here using his...
This is the mud bug that I caught on.
Mud bug. Look at that lure. That looks like an antique, bro.
It is an antique. This lure is literally no joke. At least 17 years, 20 years maybe, 17 years in my tackle box.
And that was a nice fish he caught on it too. Look at that lure.
I've caught several fatties on this right here in this exact spot too. So, but yeah, cool. Just want to share that with you.
So hopefully you guys learned a little bit of information today on how to catch fish along the Chicago River. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Again, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys next Friday with another Adept Angling video.